Hello, it's Jandon with a brief introduction to the sound interpretation assignment. This is a two-part assignment. Part 1 is due Tuesday, October the 27th, and it is the onomatopoeia exercise. Moving from your exploration of type and letter forms into sound interpretation, onomatopoeia is a word that imitates sound. It is a fun tool used in literature, songs, graphic novels, and advertisements. Onomatopoeia can be similar to graffiti lettering. Roy Lichtenstein's pop art paintings and comic books contain onomatopoeia. In this exercise, you will use letter forms, colors, and shapes to create 5 onomatopoeia. Words that visually express sounds. Here are a few examples of work-in-progress sketches done by former ART101 students. But remember, this is your own unique interpretation of how the word would look. The process. Research. Look for examples of onomatopoeia, graffiti, and comic lettering in Pinterest. Choose sounds from these 5 sound categories: water sounds, vocal sounds, collision, air sounds, and animal sounds. Or, of course, you could make up your own sound. Sketch ideas for many designs in your sketchbook. Use colored pencils, markers, or colored papers. Cut up a collage to complete your final interpretation. And then submit photos and scans to the onomatopoeia exercise assignment and the media album. Please comment on your own work and other students' work. Part 2, sound interpretation. It is due on Tuesday, November the 3rd. Also, the reflection is due that same day. The objective. The intent of this assignment is to spark your creative imagination beyond predictable responses of literalism. You are encouraged to investigate other ways of problem solving that are more abstract. The problem. Create designs to represent 4 sounds from the verbal prompts list. The list includes a car crash, an empty stomach, a jazz band with the different instruments, bumblebees in love, and the sound of spring. Or, of course, you could choose your own subject. Consider the character of the sound, its tempo, volume, duration, color, and the feelings associated with it. Use design principles in your composition. Process. Make preliminary sketches for each of your 4 chosen sounds prior to completing the final sound interpretation sheet. Work abstractly with limited reference to images. Select the solution that you feel is the most effective in communicating one of the verbal sound prompts in the most original way. Complete your favorite design on an 8.5 by 8.5 sheet. You can use colored pencils, markers, cut paper, or paint. Here are a few examples of sound interpretations done by former students. You know I'll be looking for your own original interpretations of sound. Ask yourself, how would the sound look if I could see it? Have fun with this, and I'll see you next time.